Wow, that song is really peaceful. Hey guys, RC here. In today's video, I'm going to be going over what is ROI, and the main video is going to be about Yotta Bank. So, let's get started. Hey guys, RC here. In today's video, we're going to be going over Yotta Bank. So, this is what we're going to be looking at. Also, just a quick note before we get started, I have some music on. I'm just trying to test some things and see how well the mic works, and I'm going to do my best to try to keep my voice at a slow and good tone. Alright, let's get started. So Yotta Bank is like a fintech bank, and what it does is, it says right here, is get paid more on your savings plus the chance to win $10 million every week. Now you're probably wondering, dude, Pierce, is this a scam? And no, I wouldn't say it's a scam, partly because I have watched a video from Graham Stephan explain this. So if you haven't seen this video, go check it out. It's very good as well. So over here it says 3,000 users have already won 4 million in 2 Teslas. The way you see that is down here in their analytics. So like this person, Mark, Castro Valley, California, won Tesla Model 3. That's cool. It looks like they have some history, or at least some credibility, because they got Forbes, Yahoo, Bloomberg, member FDIC, so looks like they got some stuff. Now where we're going. Okay, so the next thing is, how does it work? Well, number 1, make a deposit. Number 2, pick your numbers. 3, weekly draws. And 4, win up to 10 million. So let's go to number 1. To make a deposit, fund your account with direct deposit for lots of great perks. You can also connect an existing bank account to fund your account right away and get your tickets instantly. Okay. Pick your numbers. So it's similar to like a Powerball. Okay, so it looks like there's some effort you have to put in, as everything in life requires that. Okay, so in the next section we are looking at their who they are page, and we're on the about us page, because if I'm showing you guys something, I do not want to be showing you a potential scam or anything that could cause a problem. This is not financial advice, by the way. This is going to be a quick interjection video to supplement the main video, which is about Yotta Bank. So ROI is a metric used to understand the profitability of an investment. ROI compares how much you paid for an investment to how much you earned to evaluate its efficiency. Let's take a look at how it's used by both individual investors and businesses. So you're probably wondering, why am I kind of going over this? And the reason is, if you're in cryptocurrency, stocks, bonds, real estate, it's very important to know your information. Understand small things like, what is investing, what is a brokerage account, what is a bond, what is a PE ratio, what is leverage, what is cryptocurrency. I'm reading all of that off here because anyways. So the first one we're looking at is understanding return on investment. So how to calculate ROI. ROI equals net profit divided by cost of investment times 100. I'm going to say that again. ROI equals net profit, so your net profit divided by cost of investment times 100. ROI equals present value minus cost of investment divided by cost of investment times 100. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't exactly have this down to the thread. So it's saying, let's say you invested 5,000 in the company XYZ last year, for example, and sold your shares for 5,500 this week. Here's how you would calculate your ROI for this investment. ROI equals 5,500 minus 5,000 divided by 5,000 times 100. Your return on investment in company XYZ would be 10%. It leaves out capital gains taxes or any fees involved in buying or selling the shares. But a more realistic calculation would factor those into the cost of the investment. If you guys want to see the rest of this, Forbes.com, understanding return on investment. Alright, enjoy the rest of the video. Yotta is out to change people's opinions about personal finance. Exciting, responsible, rewarding. Who knew saving could be so fun? The leadership team is Adam, I don't know how to say his, Moelis and Ben Doyle. Oh, here we go. Look, Graham Stephan, he's on here. He's a real estate agent and YouTube personality, best known for videos on financial independence, saving money, investing money, and real estate investing. That is true. So cool, they have some sponsors on here. So see, it isn't a scam. You got Graham on there. Yotta was founded to help Americans become more financially secure. According to the Federal Reserve, 40% of Americans can't come up with $400 in an emergency. Guys, that's bad. That's 40%, including me. This leaves almost half of the country in a financially vulnerable position. Oh yeah. Even though 40% of Americans struggle to save, Americans spend $80 billion on the lottery every year. Dude, are y'all seeing that? Okay, or $640 per household on average. The lottery is the worst bet you can make. Only 50% of what's put in it is paid out. That's bad. So if the lottery is in such a suboptimal financial decision and saving is so important, why do so many people undersave and overspend on the lottery? Well, here's why. Because saving is boring. There's no short-term reward. On the other hand, the lottery provides immediate hope, excitement, and fun. That is so true. And now we have Yotta. So this is cool. It makes saving fun and you have a chance to win. It gives you some excitement, some fun. Hey, I look forward to saving because of this. Saving is really boring. I look at my Chase account, I got like, I don't know, maybe 50 bucks in it. It's pretty bad. And yeah, it is boring. So thanks to Yotta, we have something fun to look forward to when we're trying to save. This tea's great. If you'd like to support this channel, I have some referrals down below, so please check them out and subscribe, comment, like, ring the bell so you know when I'm making new videos, and let me know if you guys want any other stuff and we'll get it going. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.